Hey guys, today we have reached our last day, 7th day of the series. I hope you had a good experience practicing so far. And without any further delay, let's start our today's practice. I'm assuming that you're already done with your workout, basic warm up. So now straight away jump into the practice, but obviously along with little more warm up for the spine and the lower body. To begin with, you're going to keep your both the legs wider and toe pointing out 45 degrees. Interlock your both the fingers. Now stretch your hands all the way up. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to create a big circle from right to left, clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times as a warm up. Inhale, turn to the right. As you exhale, first extend your shoulders, do not round your spine. Exhale, go down from the right, moving to the left, center. Right, left, center. 3, 4, 5, center. Let's try the same thing anti-clockwise. Turn to the side. Inhale. Breathing is very important. Exhale. Down. 1. 2. The slower you go, you can actually get yourself into a deeper stretch. So pay attention to what you're doing. Do not be in a hurry to practice. Go slow. Give a deep stretches. 3. 4, here we go, the last one, 5, exhale, drop your hands down. Now from here, you can extend your legs a little more if you want. Let's try to do some work on the thigh. I'll give you the basic thing and then we can start trying without the balance. Exhale, bend forward. Drop your hands slightly ahead of your line where your both the heels are kept on the ground. Bend to the right, bend your knee a little and to the left. You can go a little more deeper if you want without lifting your heels up. Come back to center. Drop your other heel down, lift your toe up. It will also give you a good deep stretch. Inhale up. Please use your body weight to be kept on the floor. You don't have to lift yourself all the way. Use your hand weight, put your body weight through your hands to the floor and it will be easy for you to move from the right. And for those who are not comfortable to drop your heel down, you can also lift your heel up. So practice whatever is working for you right now. Now let's start doing the same movements 3 times right side, 3 times left side properly. Let's start from here. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Skandasana. Inhale up. 2. Up, change, up, last one, 3, up, one more, come back to center, toe pointing outside, inhale, lift your hands up straight, exhale, bend your knee, hold. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Now you're going to turn towards your right side. Bend your knee, drop your hand down. From here, try to bring your other leg also forward. Let's practice Utkatasana. Okay. Bend your knee, lift your hands up straight, arch your back a little, hands right next to the ears, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now be in the posture, move to the right side, left side, place your right elbow to the left knee, both the palm together, try to bring your chest in between the palm, hold. 3, 2, 1, release. Come back to Utkatasana, same thing the other side. Left elbow to the right knee, palm together in between the chest. 3, 2, 1. Come back to Utkatasana. Drop your hands down, try to keep your knee straight. Place your hands on the leg. It could be on the floor or your ankle or your knee. Whatever is your comfort zone, stay here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your left leg all the way back. Hold. Keep both the hands on the floor. When your right leg is in the front, keep your left hand on the floor to give a twist. Open up your chest. Lift your hand up. Your right hand goes up. Try to take your right hand behind the spine. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand down. Take your leg back to full plank, but you're going to hold with the full plank, one leg off the mat. 3, 2, 1. Now keep your right leg next to the left leg outside. Bring your right hand in center. Open up your chest. Left hand goes up. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand down. Bring your leg back to full plank. Back to the base. Go down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold. Gently drop your body weight down. Lift your chest up. Open up your chest. Arch your back. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toe in. Come to Parvatasana to stretch your hamstrings and spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look forward in between both the palms. Gently bring your left leg forward and then the right leg forward. Come to the forward bend. Bend your knee softly. Keep your hands on the floor. Take a deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now bend your knee to Utkatasana. Keep your legs slightly closer to each other. You're going to bring your hands all the way up and hold. You should be able to see your toe very clearly. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your right elbow to the left knee. A variation where you bring your palm in between the chest. 3, 2, 1. Utkatasana center. Other side. Left elbow to the right knee. Open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Come back to Utkatasana. Drop your hands down and see if you can keep your knees straight to relax. Long breathe in, long breathe out. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Drop your hands down. This time you're going to take your right leg back. Drop your hip down closer to the floor to increase the stretch in the hip joint. Place your right hand down comfortably. Open up your chest, lift your left hand up. After this, you're going to open up your chest, keep your hand behind the spine. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your palm down, take your leg back but keep your one leg off the mat. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full plank. Prepare yourself for Chaturanga Dandasana. From here, before Chaturanga Dandasana we have to do the other side stretch. Now, keep your left leg outside the right leg, open up your chest, keep your hands in one line, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down to full plank by bringing your leg back to its place. Now we're going to practice Chaturanga Dandasana. Down, hold. And then after a pause, drop your body down. Palm next to the chest. Inhale, come up. Look up. Keep your eyes closed. 3, 2, 1. Come to Parvatasana. Stretch. Bring your right leg in between both the palm. Drop your knee down. Now take your hip back. Knee and hip should be in one line. Keep your knee straight. Toe pointing up. Heel on the floor. Now try to get your chest closer to the thigh. Hold. A good hamstring stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently by bending your knee, you're going to release. Bring your leg back in between both the palm. If possible, normally you can shift your leg one by one. If you want, you can gently try to give a switch. And then continue the same thing. Drop your knee down. Push your hip back. Knee and hip will reach in one line. And then try to get your knee in one straight line. Hold. Try to get your chest closer to the thighs by going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend your knee, come out of the posture, take your leg back to full plank. Last one more time, Chaturanga Dandasana with a pause. Drop your stomach down. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Hold 3, 2, 1. And then keep your both the knee apart from each other. Drop your chest down. Drop your hands down. Relax here in child posture. Slow down your breath. Take a long inhalation, long exhalation. The more you breathe, your body will tend to relax faster. So hold on to the posture. Be on the ground. Settle down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come back to center. Bring your both the knee together. Try to be in Vajrasana. I don't know what is your experience, but I am definitely sweating, dripping. It's a nice feeling that you're working out and there is a sweat, you feel like you have worked out. But if you feel it is not intense enough, obviously you have a choice to make it more intense by practicing it one more time or adding 10 to 15 rounds of Surya Namaskara. So I'm glad you completed the session, the series of 7 days along with me. For people who are not happy with 15 minutes of videos, who want to practice for longer in general, 1 hour video, 40 minutes of video. So for that, you can join the membership program by clicking join button next to the subscribe button. Or you can find a link in the description or in the comment box. I'll see you again very soon with a new series. Thank you so much. Keep practicing and stay healthy.